Got 24 hours in Hanoi? On today's episode, we're hitting the iconic Hoan Kiem Lake, diving into the old quarter's hidden shopping and expat area, anime gift shopping included, and exploring the historic Ngoc temple. Hold on tight, it's gonna be a jam-packed day. But first, let's eat some Vietnamese street food.
What's up, everybody? This is your boy Phi from Phi-nex TV. What a hectic morning ride in Hanoi. Hanoi is definitely way busier than Ho Chi Minh, and definitely a lot more cars, pedestrians, tourists, and motorbikes. It is hectic. So right now I'm going to visit the old quarter in Hoan Kiem Road, and I'm gonna take you with me wherever I go. So I've never been to Hanoi before. I've never been anywhere in the north. I'm gonna begin today with a little bit of your YouTuber's favorite, not me, but other YouTubers' favorite, Banh.
Buddy got my cafe soda. That's the staple of today, everywhere. I parked downtown, and tourist prices parking is like 30,000 Vietnam, which is like $1.50. I know it's not much, but everywhere else is either free or 1,000 or 5,000. But in a place like this, you need security to kind of like monitor it, which is good. Oh, that's sweet. Big deal. Booyah. Okay. But it's toasted. It has beef, egg. I've been having a lot of pork recently, so I kind of want more beef and egg in my life.
Look at this view. Balcony. The fourth floor of the lake in Hanoi. I think they're setting up for something. Maybe for New Year's. There's usually for like that, the Vietnamese New Year's, there's usually a big extravaganza. So probably setting up a stadium, but yeah. We'll walk around a little bit on the lake. I got my second coffee. I told him to put a lot less condensed milk. Oh, it's strong. It's strong. So, making this hectic walk. There is no stoplight. There is no like there is, but like it's not gonna. People listen to it? No, they don't listen to anything. So, this is how you walk in Vietnam. You just kind of go. You just kind of go and don't get hit. And if you get hit, then you hit them back. That's basically what it is. That's basically what it is. But you can see, it's hectic. But let me take you to the lake. So this is my view right now. Very, very nice. Is that a fish I see? Is that a fish? No, that's a rock. It's not a fish. No, it is a fish. It is a fish. Wow. Right now, a lot of people jog here. A lot of people exercise around here. The old quarter, it's pretty nice. Like, I wasn't sure where the actually old quarter is. Like, if you type the old quarter on the GPS, it gives you a range of like where everything is, but it doesn't really necessarily tell you where exactly. So, as you can see behind me, there's a bridge, and there's a lot of people over there taking pictures and stuff. Hanoi is a lot different than Ho Chi Minh. What I've noticed here from like, I guess the difference between Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh is the fact that like Hanoi is a bit more polluted. See, if you see over there, there's a little bit of smog as well. Like the air is not exactly transparent. It's a little bit of, I guess a little bit of a layer of smoke. And now I kind of understand why people kind of wear face masks all day, because they can't really breathe that in. Right? So, oh.
Now I'll be taking you to the Ngoc temple. from the iconic bridge. Built in the early 1800s, originally honoring the Taoist figures, it transitioned to commemorate Trang Hung Dao, a legendary general who repelled Mongol invasions. Now the temple reflects both religious history and Vietnamese resilience. And remember, before you visit, all this information was consulted by Wikipedia. This is a magnificent structure.
Now we're going through here. I went through the first bridge, and now I'm gonna wait for these people to be done. Meanwhile, I can take you through here. There's all of these rooms in this temple. I don't know if I'm allowed to be in here. Probably not. I actually don't know. But I'm gonna go in through here. That's where you. I smell a lot of incense here. Well, there you go. That's why. That's where you pray. It's a very religious place, so make sure you send your respects. So I couldn't bring you all to some parts of the temple, and the reason why is because they're not allowed to, and it's kind of disrespectful if I do that. So I did say some prayers, and now we're on our way out. But it was nice to kind of get away from the city just for like a brief moment, and there are offerings to your ancestry. I've exited the temple, so now you can see that the city is back on alive. It's the peace and relaxation, quiet is gone, and now we're back to the hustle and bustle. And definitely, it smells good. Definitely, there's a lot. Ooh, there's a lot of jackfruit, mango. Nice mangosteen, a lot of fruit that people are selling. Now, you might think to yourself, Phi, would you buy fruit from the street? Absolutely, obviously. And what smells so good? Oh, that's why. KFC. The KFC smells pretty good. What it's like to cross in Vietnam? The secret is, if there's people beside you and this is really bad, use them as a shield. Because if we fall, we all fall down. So yeah. But yeah. Ooh. Some nice keychains. Some Naruto. Tung 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 tung. Yes, the bootleg Goku. Yes. Oh, that's pretty nice. The purple one? Oh, yes. There is that one. Oh yeah, this. I wanted this originally, but I kind of bought this, and then I bought the other one, and I'm like, oh crap. Wow, what the? Wow. You want this? Yo, this is nice right here. Damn. Wow. That's a tournament of power. A tournament of power. You get the flying one too. What the hell? Super Saiyan. Wait, what? Super Saiyan Rose 3? No way. No way. That's cool. That is nice. Đẹp lắm. Em khoái. Let's go. Oh. Cái này bao nhiêu vậy? Hả? 250 hả? Wanna do Netflix and banh mi? See? Yo. It's nice. Woo! Chihuahua. Hanoi is actually very, very developed. Highways are wide, roads are wider, everything is bigger. And it isn't like Ho Chi Minh where you can basically take an Uber and just, or a taxi, and like 2 minutes you're there, 5 minutes you're there, 3 minutes you're there. No, it takes about half an hour for you to go anywhere you want, 20 minutes or less too, but like majority of them is very far away. Like I want to go to Aeon Mall, I want to go to this mall, this temple, these places, you know. And also, I find that the fashion here is quite different. It's more luxurious, like luxurious as in like upscale. Ho Chi Minh is fancy as well in certain parts, but I guess like the younger generation is more K-pop influence, is more V-pop influence. There's more fashionable, I guess, more fashionable generation here. It's quite different. The north and the south is quite different. I also feel like here, people do hustle, but it's not as prominent as Ho Chi Minh. But I'm sure that like when I go to different places in Hanoi, it's the same thing. High-paced, it's intense in a very good way. The difference is not that large, but it's quite noticeable. It's quite noticeable. Yeah. The coffee, the food here is slightly different, not that far off. It's just a different style of making food here. It's a bit different variations, alterations, kind of like, I like bún thịt nướng chả giò, which is basically the vermicelli rice noodle salad with like the vegetables and spring rolls and grilled meats. And over here they have the same thing, but the thing is, it's what Obama ate. Remember Anthony Bourdain and Obama? Ooh. Anthony Bourdain and Obama ate that on the Food Network. It's when they had the Vietnamese episode. It's that they have, that's famous in the north. So it's called bún chả, and definitely it's a little more different style of food here. And honestly, it's all delicious. It's just the way of eating and the way of cooking is slightly different, but it's really, really not far off at all. It's not far off at all. Oh, do I want some AirPods Pro Max? Do I want some AirPods Pro Max? Why not? Why not? Why not? Yeah. Ủa cái này là bao nhiêu vậy anh? 700 hả? Cái là Bluetooth luôn hả? Oh, MagSafe? Yeah. Look for MagSafe. Oh. AirPod Pro Max is 700. 700. Shoo! I can do that, no problem. But I already have headphones. I don't need it. All right, so as you can see, I am currently at the old quarter of Hanoi, and there's a lot of tourists. You're not allowed to have cars on the street because so many people on here. So that's why you have a large influx of scooters right now. And it's pretty packed up. And oh, like look at that. Congestion, guys, congestion. Ooh, I gotta watch where I'm going here. Watch where I'm going right here. It's very tight. It's like a little alleyway. Gotta let them walk past us before we can go. Numerous coffee shops, numerous coffee shops everywhere you go. And if you don't like sitting here on the ground floor and kind of like, you know, like eating on like the level where like there's motorcyclists, there's always a top floor and above if you are lucky. Definitely, if you're tired, you can get a massage here. It's around 200 to 350 max Viet Dam. Anything more than 350,000 Viet Dam, you're probably paying for something different. So make sure you, oh yeah. So the food here is very cheap. It's 30K to 50K for an entree, and it looks like this. Bún chả, or this is what the, oh shit, the bún chả right here is what Obama ate. And you can sit over here, eat whatever you want. And if you can't read Vietnamese, you can order whatever you want from here, over here. This is the old quarter. old quarter of Hanoi. Another difference I see in Hanoi, there's a lot of vegetarian restaurants compared to Ho Chi Minh, and a lot more pork. A lot of people sell pork. So if you want vegetarian food, there's a lot of you have many options. You have many options right here. Many options. From here, you have a massage right here. If you want.
I discuss for you.
Bao nhiêu?
30 phút là 30 phút thì em giảm giá là 200 ạ.
200.
60 phút.
A tattoo? You want a lip piercing? Is it a good idea? I don't know. You see what I mean? Everything in Hanoi is bún chả. Bún chả. This, I think this high priced is because it's a tourist area. You have to go to Tom's Secret Pub. Secret Pub. There's a lot of pubs here, bars, and it's slightly different. Yeah, definitely.
What's up, bro?
What's up, yo?
You want something?
No. I'm okay right now. I'm gonna do it. This is definitely the clubbing district right now. As you can see, there's a lot of Viet gangsters that don't want to mess with me. No, wait. Hey, what's up? Oh, this is nice. Over here is like you see all the hustle and bustle right here, and right in front of me is like a little bit on the end of the street where it's a little bit more quiet. This is the old quarter of Vietnam, and this is definitely the eating quarters of it as well. There's a theater right there. Definitely you can buy a lot of cheap food here, and definitely a lot of tourists. If you want shisha, shisha is right there. But that lantern area, I really like that area. Like it's nice, it's nice.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my video for today. It was a lot of work, but I hope you guys enjoyed your adventure with me. Remember to support the channel, give it a like, subscribe, and watch out for my next video because I am continuing to explore and I'm gonna bring you with me.
Oh shit, that's nice. I bought this drink